Hi guys, so the question is count substrings that differ by one character. So what this question is asking us, like we have given two string s and t. We have to pick any non-empty substring of s and change exactly one character in it. Okay, after that change, it should become a substring of t. Uh, like for example, if the uh, t string is a b a, okay, so the substring could be what, a b a b b a b a, okay, like that. But it should differ by exactly one character, we have to remember that. And two strings differ exactly by one character, but what I can say, should have same length, okay. And all position except the one position could be differ, okay. So how we are going to solve it, let's see it, okay. So int n is equal to s dot size comma m is equal to t dot size vector int same n plus 1 vector int m plus 1 comma 0. Vector int yeah, vector int, okay, yeah, there is a mistake, a closing angular bracket, then int ns is equal to 0 for int I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, I increment int j is equal to 1, j is less than equal to m, j increment, then if si comma minus 1 is equal to s, sorry, t j comma j minus 1, okay, if same I j same I minus 1 j minus 1 1 diff I j equal to diff I minus 1 j minus 1, else same at index size j equal to 0 diff I j same I minus 1, then j minus 1 and plus 1, ans plus 1 is equal to diff I j return ans. Okay, there is a misspell. Okay, so yeah, the code is working fine. In the runtime submission we beat 45%, around 46, and in memory around 27. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for now. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section, I will definitely try to reply. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.